Welcome back. Aim high and keep dreaming to be successful in life. That's MPT Chairman Maria Pandian's message to students. He was speaking after MPT has donated a Xerox machine to a Sada-based school as a part of its social responsibilities.
Murmugaon Port Trust has donated a Xerox machine to Captain Narendra Mayekar Government High School, Sada on Thursday. This was done on the request of the headmaster of the school. Chairman of MPT Mara Pandian had a special message for the students.
Let the child dream. Dream is the most important. That's exactly what the former president used to say. First you should dream. What do you want to be? Whether you want to be a doctor, whether you want to be a engineer. I mean, that's exactly what I had. When I was a child, my father and my mother told me, no, you should become an IAS officer. And in between I got roughly about almost 18 jobs I got it. Including starting the Reserve Bank of India down to all the jobs. I did not go for any job. My parents said go for this. We went for it. So basically, keep thinking.
Later speaking to reporters, Pandian mentioned that MPT is geared up to tackle any situation.
The first thing is that a disaster management plan is already we have with us. In fact, 2-3 days in advance we had a warning system, weather warning system telling that basically there's going to be some kind of a cyclone and everything. And we have alerted all the field formation also. And that's why like the last couple of days we have seen the concentration of all the ships and small boats, everything in the inner anchor. And we brought in all the vessels inside the port area. We don't allow anything outside. We got a plan. We got a ready plan with us. We will tackle it. As far as the port area is concerned, we will tackle any situation whatever comes.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madgaikar.
And now news from sports. Centuries by Amogh Desai and Sharman have put Goa in a commanding position against Bihar in the Cooch Behar Under-19 cricket tournament. The match is in progress at BITS Pilani ground at Zuarinagar.
Fine centuries by Amogh Desai and Sharman have taken Goa to 345 runs for loss of 4 wickets on the second day. Amogh scored 119 runs with a classy knock. Sharman was unbeaten on 101 runs. Earlier, Bihar were bowled out for 115 runs in the first innings. Goan bowlers Sagar Naik and Darshan Misal took 3 wickets each. Here are some highlights. A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madgaikar.
The Billiards and Snooker Association of Goa is on a mission to clean up the profile of pool sport in particular. Overall, the association wants more youngsters to come and play any of the games under Q Sports umbrella. President of the association, Sunil Morajkar, has revealed that there is a plan to start a pool circuit if the pool parlour owners are cooperative.
These scenes of smoking and drinking are a common sight at pool parlours all over the state. However, such type of pool parlours do not do any good to the game. Billiards and Snooker Association of Goa President Sunil Morajkar explained.
This is happening mainly in pool parlours. Pool tables are small, they are cheaper also. And it was projected as pool parlour entertainment and gaming, betting in small dingy places where people were attracted. And it is the owners of the parlour owner not to do it, because we have in our committee itself people who are having pool parlours. आमच्याकडे असा, आमच्या secretary कडे असा, आमचा member असा, एकटो म्हापसा. They don't encourage such things. They are saying pure game. आता त्यांच्याकडे snooker tables असा. पूल आसा थंय आनी पूल मदीं एका टायमार अशें जालें पूल खूब फामाद जालें बिकॉज एवरीवेर यू कूड सी पूल टेबल्स एंड पीपल प्लेइंग विदाउट नोईंग द गेम आमकां पूल पासून आमकां करूंक जाय वी आर टॉकिंग टू दीस पार्लर ओनर्स बट दे आर नॉट गियर्ड अप तांचे टेबला पासून पळयत जाल्यार यू कॅन मेक आउट दॅट दे हॅव नॉट रिपेअर्ड डॅम ऑर एनीथिंग दे आर जस्ट डुईंग इट एज अ फायनान्शियल एक्टिविटी.
Sunil also stressed that pool played in the pool parlors for entertainment is not like the national and international pool tournaments.
Pool pasun they खेळटा this is not good enough pool to go for nationals or any competitive. Pool is also a competitive game. It is picking up like anything better than, I mean, it is overtaking billiards and snooker now all over the world, mainly in Southeast Asia, Thailand and Singapore, Bangkok, Hong Kong. So the pool is picking up like anything and it is picked up. They were lagged behind in billiards and snooker. But that is 9-ball pool. Those tables, there is no one is having that table in Goa, 9-ball pool.
With the state association's name changed to Billiards and Snooker Association of Goa from Q Sports Association, Sunil is optimistic of drawing more newcomers to billiards and snooker as well. Our sports reporter Nikhil Parera with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar from Miramar.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.